Etawah, a city nestled in the heart of North India, is where history whispers through ancient monuments and culture bursts forth in vibrant colors. Located in Uttar Pradesh, Etawah rests gracefully on the banks of the sacred Yamuna River. This strategic location places Etawah in the fertile Ganges-Yamuna Doab, a region renowned for its agricultural abundance. Etawah's charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend its glorious past with its dynamic present. The city's historical significance is palpable, with remnants of ancient empires whispering tales of bygone eras. Simultaneously, Etawah embraces modernity, witnessing a surge in industrial development and economic growth. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature lover, or a traveler yearning to experience the warmth of Indian hospitality, Etawah welcomes you with open arms. Etawah's history is a captivating saga that spans millennia, a testament to the city's enduring legacy. The region's fertile lands and strategic location on the banks of the Yamuna River have attracted empires and dynasties since time immemorial. The city finds mention in the epic Mahabharata, indicating its existence during the legendary Kurukshetra War. Etawah thrived under the reign of the Mauryan Empire, known for its administrative prowess and the benevolent rule of Emperor Ashoka. The Gupta Empire, often hailed as the Golden Age of India, further enriched Etawah's cultural and intellectual landscape. The medieval period witnessed the rise and fall of various dynasties, each contributing to Etawah's rich tapestry of history. The Rajputs, known for their valor and chivalry, held sway over Etawah for a significant period. The Mughal Empire, under the reign of Emperor Akbar, left an enduring legacy on Etawah's architecture, administration and cultural milieu. The advent of British rule brought about significant changes in Etawah's administrative structure and economic landscape. Etawah's history is a testament to the resilience and spirit of its people, who have navigated through centuries of change and emerged with a vibrant culture and an unwavering sense of identity. Etawah's cultural landscape is as vibrant and diverse as the colors of its festivals. The city comes alive with the joyous celebrations of Hindu festivals like Diwali, Holi, and Durga Puja. Diwali, the festival of lights, illuminates Etawah with countless diyas, casting a warm glow on the city's streets and homes. Holi, the festival of colors, transforms Etawah into a canvas of vibrant hues as people playfully drench each other in colored powder and water. Durga Puja, a celebration of the triumph of good over evil, sees elaborate pandals erected across the city, showcasing the artistic talents of local artisans. Etawah's culinary heritage is a testament to the rich flavors of North Indian cuisine. Wheat-based dishes like roti, paratha and puri form the staple diet, accompanied by a variety of lentil soups, vegetable curries and meat dishes. The city's streets are lined with food stalls and sweet shops, tempting passers-by with the aroma of freshly prepared delicacies. The city boasts a long and illustrious tradition of weaving, with skilled artisans creating intricate designs on handlooms. Pottery is another craft that has been passed down through generations, with local potters crafting beautiful earthenware that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Beyond its historical and cultural riches, Etawah is also blessed with abundant natural beauty. The lifeblood of the city, the sacred Yamuna River, flows gracefully through its heart, its shimmering waters reflecting the azure sky. For wildlife enthusiasts, Etawah offers a unique opportunity to witness the diverse fauna of North India. The Etawah Safari Park, a sprawling sanctuary home to a wide array of animals and birds, is a must-visit destination. Embark on a thrilling jungle safari and encounter majestic tigers, playful monkeys, graceful deer, and a kaleidoscope of bird life. The Salmon Bird Sanctuary, located on the outskirts of Etawah, is a haven for birdwatchers. Over 200 species of birds, both resident and migratory, have made this sanctuary their home. The National Chambal Sanctuary, situated on the banks of the Chambal River, is known for its rich biodiversity, particularly its population of critically endangered gharials. The city is surrounded by vast stretches of fertile fields, painted in hues of emerald green and golden yellow depending on the season. Whether you seek adventure in the wild or tranquility in nature's embrace, Etawah has something to offer every nature lover. Etawah's spiritual landscape is as captivating as its historical and natural treasures. The city is dotted with ancient temples and religious sites that stand as testaments to the deep-rooted faith of its people. One of the most revered religious sites in Etawah is the Baba Buriwale Mandir. This temple is dedicated to Baba Buriwale, a local saint who is believed to have possessed miraculous healing powers. Devotees from far and wide flock to the temple to seek the saint's blessings, especially during festivals and special occasions. The Bhareshwar Mahadev Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is another significant religious site in Etawah. The temple's ancient architecture, adorned with intricate carvings and sculptures, transports visitors to a bygone era. The Brahmani Devi Temple, dedicated to the goddess Brahmani, is equally revered and is believed to be associated with the epic Mahabharata. The Raja Sumar Singh Fort, a magnificent structure that once served as the residence of local rulers, stands as a testament to the architectural grandeur of a bygone era. Etawah's spiritual and historical landmarks are living embodiments of the city's cultural and religious heritage, passed down through generations and cherished by its people. Etawah's economy is deeply rooted in agriculture, a testament to the region's fertile lands and the hard work of its farmers. The city lies in the heart of the Ganges Yamuna Doab, a region renowned for its agricultural abundance. The lifeblood of this agricultural prosperity is the Yamuna River, its waters irrigating vast stretches of land and nourishing a variety of crops. Wheat, sugarcane, rice and vegetables are some of the key crops that flourish in Etawah's fertile soil. The city's agricultural produce not only sustains its own population but also contributes significantly to the state's economy. Livestock farming, particularly cattle and poultry, is another important aspect of Etawah's rural economy, providing livelihoods for numerous families. In recent years, Etawah has witnessed a surge in industrial development driven by government initiatives and private investments. Sugar mills, food processing units and small-scale industries have sprung up in and around the city, creating employment opportunities and boosting the local economy. Etawah's economic landscape is undergoing a transformation, with agriculture forming the backbone and industrial development driving future growth. Etawah is well connected to major cities and towns in North India, thanks to a robust transportation network that includes roadways, railways and air connectivity. The city serves as a gateway to the state of Uttar Pradesh and is easily accessible for both domestic and international travelers. Etawah is strategically located on National Highway 2, which connects Delhi to Kolkata. This major highway ensures seamless road connectivity to major cities in North India, making it convenient for travelers to reach Etawah by car or bus. The Uttar Pradesh State Road Transport Corporation operates regular bus services to and from Etawah, connecting it to cities and towns across the state. Etawah Junction Railway Station is a major railway junction on the Howrah-Delhi main line. Regular train services connect Etawah to Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and other major cities in India. While Etawah does not have its own airport, it is well connected by air through nearby airports in Kanpur, Agra and Lucknow. These airports are served by major domestic airlines offering regular flights to and from major cities in India. Whether you prefer the comfort of air travel, the scenic beauty of a train journey, or the convenience of road travel, Etawah is easily accessible by all modes of transportation. Etawah, a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, nature and modernity, beckons travelers from all walks of life. Whether you are a history buff eager to unravel the layers of Etawah's past, a nature enthusiast seeking solace in its serene landscapes, a spiritual seeker drawn to its ancient temples, or simply a traveler looking to experience the warmth of Indian hospitality, Etawah has something to offer everyone. Lose yourself in the pages of history as you explore the ancient ruins and Mughal-era monuments that dot Etawah's landscape. Embark on a spiritual journey as you visit the city's revered temples and religious sites, each with its own unique story to tell. Reconnect with nature as you cruise along the serene Yamuna River, spot wildlife at the Etawah Safari Park, or witness the avian spectacle at the Salmon Bird Sanctuary. Immerse yourself in the vibrant tapestry of Etawah's culture as you witness the joyous celebrations of its festivals, savor the flavors of its local cuisine, and admire the craftsmanship of its traditional arts and crafts. Experience the warmth and hospitality of Etawah's people, who are always eager to share their city's rich heritage with visitors. So come, heed the call of Etawah and embark on a journey of discovery that will stay with you forever.